Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In today's fast paced world, we often hear chase results, beat the deadline, hit the target. But the truth is, results are just the outcome and we can't fully control them. What we can control is the process, the way we work, the effort we give, and the patience we show. Let me share with you a story. A farmer once planted two types of trees, an oak and a bamboo. The oak grew steadily every year, visible to everyone. The bamboo, however, showed no growth above the soil for years. People laughed thinking the farmer had wasted his time. But he kept watering, caring, and protecting it. Then one season, the bamboo shot up over 80 feet tall in just weeks. How? Because during those hidden years, it was building a strong root system underground. Without that process, it could never have reached such heights. My dear brothers and sisters, life is much like this. We may not see immediate results, but every bit of effort, every drop of patience is a part of building our root for success. Allah tells us in the Quran, and that there is not for men except that for which he strives. Surah An-Najm. This means that what truly matters is our efforts, our striving. He also commands, so be patient. Indeed, the promise of Allah is truth. Surah Ar-Rum. Because the results, whether in this world or the hereafter, come at the perfect time according to Allah's wisdom. Seek help through patience and prayers. What class athlete don't think of the medal while training? They focus on their form, diet, recovery, and discipline. In the same way, if we perfect our process, whether in studies, work, or worship, character, success will be a natural byproduct. Results are temporary, but the process is permanent. You might win once by luck, but only the right process will make you win again and again. So let's stop asking, will I succeed quickly? And start asking, am I following the best possible method for the sake of Allah? Because if the process is right and the intention is pure, the results will follow in this world and more importantly in the hereafter. Remember, the results is the fruit, but the process is the tree. Take care of the tree. The fruit will come in its season by the will of Allah. Jazakallahu khair.